To try out different concepts and techniques, I had to constantly jump from physical to CAD and virtual prototyping tools. Of course, this was only fitting, considering that the PilotSketch system lies exactly on that border between what's virtual and what's real. Of course, I used my favorite software tool a lot, Blender, to create most of the verifications and visualizations. Alongside Blender, I used 3D sketching systems such as Gravity Sketch, tried out interface designs with the Microsoft HoloLens. I printed and milled out parts of the physical dummy and did this in an iterative fashion. Ergonomics was one of the things that was really hard to get right the first try. However, using the various real and virtual tools that I had at my disposal thanks to the University of Antwerp, I was able to quickly iterate and create design alternatives. Using these various tools, I tried to present a convincing and believable product. I got quite involved in real-time rendering and accurate 3D motion tracking to create the image of a finished product. In reality, the system would be too complicated to create a working prototype of today. However, seeing the advancements made in the past few years, this will become possible soon enough. The goal of creating this highly visual product presentation is to get us, the designers, warm for the future. A future in which, quite possibly, the border between what is real and what is virtual will fade even further. I want to thank every single person who participated in my studies, offered their insights and weren't afraid to give their honest opinion. Personally, I learned a lot from creating this concept. Thank you all very, very much. I appreciate your help tremendously. I hope that you enjoyed this little behind the scenes video. Thank you very much for watching it and I'll see you next time. Cheers!